You guys see this? It's a box. But now, it's a lunchbox. But wait, there's more. Boom. Lunchbox Ruby Red Edition. You guys want more? I got you. Damn, what? This one's still in the box? That's crazy. This is supposed to be the newest one on the line, a 2.0. I guess I'm going to have to unbox it myself and do a review, so don't go anywhere because it's coming up after the intro and the last explosion. Do it!
Can I get a
I'm the festival Finesser.
Lunchbox fam, can I get a yer? What's up, everybody? Finesse gang, thank you for tuning in once again. New subscribers, new viewers, thank you for tuning in as well. I'm the Festival Finesser. This is my channel, a channel that evolves around music festivals and live music-going experiences with a focus and concentration on dubstep and rhythm. If you're not following me at a festival day by day, you're probably following me at a show in New York, New Jersey, Philly. Basically, anywhere I go, you guys are coming with me. And if you're not following me at a show or festival, you're probably sitting with me here at this desk, getting life hacks, trick tips, festival reviews, lineup reviews, EDM news, controversial debates, and any other words of advice I can give to you guys to make sure you can have the best festival going experience possible. But in today's video, we're not doing any of those things I just said, but hopefully something that will still enhance your festival going experience, because today we're doing a product review of an anti-theft hydration pack from the Lunchbox. I am a seasoned Lunchbox user. I have the original one, I have the red one as you guys just saw, this is going to be my third one, and I have used the Lunchbox at multiple festivals. It is an amazing pack, not only for festivals, but I use it when I go out skating, when I go out to the city, or out to the skate park even, just to put all my skate tools, my water, my a hacky sack, my phone, my charger, my wallet, just so I'm not skating with things in my pockets. I use it when I went out protesting in New York for the Black Lives Matter movement. So we're going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the Lunchbox 2.0, and it's funny because I feel kind of dumb making this video. I made this video already. What up, Finesse gang? I don't know if you could read this right here, but it says Lunchbox, and I got my hands on one, Lunchbox 2.0, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the Lunchbox fam, so don't go anywhere because it's coming up after the intro. And when I made it, I posted it, I shared it with the Lunchbox fam on the group on Facebook, and they're like, hey, this is awesome, but you were promoting a Lunchbox Ruby Red, not a 2.0, but you called it a 2.0 the whole video. And I was like, well, that would make sense why there was no changes, right? It was just a different color. So yeah, overall, it looks like the only thing that's different about the 2.0s is the color. And I kind of laughed about it, and here I am today getting into the 2.0. So shout out to the Lunchbox fam, shout out Emma, Tom, and all the rest of the Fambassadors. I am a Fambassador as well. I don't know if I've ever announced that publicly, but I am a part of the Lunchbox Fambassador team. So basically we are responsible for helping promote the brand and making content for the Lunchbox. This is one of the ways I'm going to be doing that today. So let's get into this unboxing and get it cracking. So I already cut the tape off to make things easier for myself. So right upon our opening, we have a nice little message. It's more than a crowd, it's the family. It's more than a show, it's the experience. It's more than a bag, it's the Lunchbox. And I got myself another red one. I should have gotten a blue one now that I think about it, because now I have two red ones, but I love the black and red color combo, and I wanted to see what kind of enhancements they made. So right off the bat, we have the pack, and we have, this is new I think, we have a Hydrofusion tube kit, a hydration upgrade. So it looks like you can just attach this hose to the to just replace it, I guess. I don't know what's enhancing about it, but I'm going to learn about that later. But this is new on the 2.0. We also have a skin in here. I don't know if the original ones come with skins, but I don't know if this is like a Fambassador special or something like that. But this is a really cool, smoky looking like digi-camo design. And the Lunchbox has interchangeable skins. I'm not sure if you can custom make them. That might be an interesting feature for the 3.0, or even just customizable skins. And I don't know if I've ever reviewed this bag on the channel, but I have actually recorded a review for it in comparison before I was a Fambassador, so I definitely know this bag like pretty well. And today we're going to be looking at the features that the 2.0 has that I'm going to be kind of like looking for, and just seeing what's really good with the 2.0 and how it has enhanced since the original one. So let's get into the bag here. And off the bat, it pretty much looks the same. We have the clips again. Actually, the zippers feel a little more I don't know, feel just like more heavy duty. Like I'm not gonna rip it off, so that's nice. Those feel good. And there's also the clips are also back on here, so that is another way to prevent theft, and especially these clips are great for someone like me who's always in a mosh pit, because there is a possibility of my bag getting caught, and if it gets yanked too hard, the zippers could come apart, which I could possibly demonstrate. So if you have it zippered up top like this, and someone gets a hold of your bag, they can literally just rip it open, and now you have this whole entire pocket exposed, and this is where all your things are going to be long. So since this pocket is already open, let's look into it and see if there's any changes, and I already see a couple. So the biggest enhancements I'm seeing here on the main pocket, or at least what I call the main pocket, is a mesh pocket added right here to help with like compartmentalizing your bag and just having like a spot for certain things. And then there's also this pocket on here, which was original. This is not a mesh pocket. This is just like a mini, just I don't even know, like whatever compartment, whatever material the bag is. This is the same material on the inside for the pocket. It's a nice little pouch, and I do like this mesh pocket. It has nice little elastic feel. And like I said, this is your main pocket. This is where you would put like, or at least I put like my phone, wallet, keys, and like I could put my sunglasses in here. And just like this is like the main pocket, the important stuff, the big stuff. That is what your big pocket is looking like. We're gonna zip that up and get into, I guess, the bladder pocket next. That's the next biggest pocket. So another thing I should highlight about the lunchbox before I get into the bladder is the fact that all the zippers are on the back of the bag. There is no pockets accessible from the outside of the bag that has a zipper. The only pocket that is accessible is this one right here, and this is really only for like what, water, maybe a fan. But now let's look into the bladder pocket, the next biggest pocket on the bag. This pocket is insulated, and I see they added a mesh pocket here as well, so that's nice if you want to put certain things. I do warn people about this pocket because if you have your water in here, it's not the best idea to keep things, because when it's insulated, the condensation, being out in the heat, it gets very wet and things can get damp. And if you have like, a wallet, let's say, or like electronics, like your phone or something like that, it might get damaged, like a portable charger even. So I'd be conscientious about putting things that could get damaged by water in here. But if it's like, I don't even know what you would put in here, but sunglasses maybe, something like that, just little things that you don't want to, I don't know, but this spot is mainly to hold your water. And if you're not actually putting water in the hydration pack in the pouch, you can fill it with cold drinks, and they'll stay cold in here, which is nice. It's a nice insulated pocket, which is a cool feature. And I believe Emma Capotes she mentioned in her review you could fit like 6 White Claws in here, or like cans of that size. So you could definitely like have a nice little pregame with it, or like go on a hike, bring some water, some beers, whatever. Well, this bag is multifunctional, and I use it for more than just going to festivals. But on this channel, that's probably what it's mostly going to be used for, and why you're thinking about buying it. And yeah, so anything else on this pocket I should mention? Yes, I should. I found this out just today, actually. I was using this bag, doing a little photo shoot with it and myself. And you can take the bag, the hydration pack pouch, or the bladder, I should say, that's what I'm looking for, off of the hose, and that's how you can see just how easily changeable it is to add the other tube and the other hose, and it's just a simple click, and you add in here. What's also nice about the lunchbox is how convenient it is to fill up your water. It's super easy, super quick. All you have to do is slide off this thingy in this direction, and then you unfold the flap, and then open it up like so, and now you have a nice large area to put your water. You can see how much you're filling it up. And it's hard to miss and spill and get your bag wet. That's one of my pet peeves with Camelbacks, is when it's very complicated to fill up the bladder, and it causes your bag to get wet, leaky, and then you have you're just uncomfortable for the festival. So that is the bladder pocket. Those are my highlights. There is a clip in here if you wanted to, I think, clip this down to the bag. I'm not exactly sure what the clip is for, but maybe clip your keys in there, secure your keys. I don't know, but there is a clip in here to clip something onto. I'm just not exactly sure what. So that is the bladder pocket. New additions on the pocket are the mesh. That's the only new addition I could find for that pocket. So next, I'm actually going to put the backpack on so I can show you a couple features as well that I like on this bag. And the first feature we're going to talk about are right here on the shoulder straps, and that is these little pockets. And these pockets, they said they made them bigger, and they already feel bigger. I'm going to do a quick phone test, and we're going to shove this phone right in here, hopefully without stopping recording. And way easier, bro. I've struggled. I usually have to like break in my phone, just leave it in here for a couple seconds to like let it stretch out and just like really be digging to get it in. But there is plenty of room to keep going. That fit that one in way smoother than I'm used to. And the other pocket is just as big. So these pockets will save your phone, because the phone is probably the thing you're going to be going in and out of your pocket for most frequently. And when you do that, going in and out of your pocket with some gym shorts or basketball shorts, it's very easy for them to come out, for you to lose it, to be in a mosh pit, jump in, and it flings out of your pocket. And a pickpocketer as well, you know what I'm saying? This is an anti-theft backpack for a reason. So keep your stuff secured and safe on you in your bag. and boom, now you have your phone on. You could even check the time and have stuff like that. You can check your messages and stuff if you have it the other way. And then while we're here, we're going to talk about the water refill system. So to do so, you don't even got to take off your bag. You just take off one strap, swing it around, and then your refill system is right here. The bladder is in this pocket. You unzip it, boom. And then you just have this insulated pocket here. You'd be at the water refill station. I didn't put mine in the right way, but unfold, as I said before, open, fill up, squirt, 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 fill, 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 and then you're back in action. Shove it back in. I believe the last one had a strap, if I recall, which I think is actually, I'm noticing as a downfall down here, because you could strap in the bladder. Where is the zipper over here? Struggling. On the last one, actually I have it right here. On the Lunchbox, the original one, they have a strap in here to help strap down and just keep the bladder secure. This one does not have that, but it does have this little clip. That could be what that's for. Just a smaller way to do it. But they also have the mesh pocket. I honestly would probably go with the strap. I think that's more sufficient. I don't really like keeping things in that pocket, but that's just me. You could definitely find a use for this pocket, especially if you're not using it if you're not filling it up with water. I use this bag all the time without filling it up with water, just as a backpack, because it's nice and small. When I'm skating, I don't like to be skating with a big, lunky, just heavy backpack. I want a nice, just small, convenient backpack. Doesn't really kind of like weigh me down, and it's just like compressed against me, nice and tight. Everything is secured, so that bag is perfect for this. So if you're into action sports, hiking, outdoor stuff, this bag is definitely something you might want to look into for more reasons than just the festival. It's a good investment. We can talk about the hose on here real quick. So the water refill system, or I guess the drinking system, the tube, the hose, is very simple. It's just a twist to lock, so it does have a locking feature, so it's not leaking. And then you just bite on the mouthpiece, and then you just start drinking like a regular water bottle. And then another feature that I always love to highlight is the strap. Not the strap, but like the hook. There's a little hook right here on the bag. This hook is where it's at, bro. This hook is fucking so good. There's the straps here. If you're going into a pit ready. Then you got your phone here, pit ready. And, Lunchbox is pit ready, man. You could put a whole water bottle here. I've done that before. I put my GoPro batteries in this pocket, the dead ones, just to kind of separate some. And then what's also cool about the Lunchbox is this one, for some reason, didn't. I might have told Emma when she sent it not to include the lights because I never use them. But the Lunchbox features little LED lights that you can run through these little, they have little, rivets, kind of like loops. One of these pockets in here is for your light pack, your battery pack. And then what's awesome about it is you can just wire it any which way you want, so that when it's dark out, you turn on your lights and your friends can use your backpack as like a little signifier to find you in the dark. Because now when people are going to have a lit up backpack that's blinking to the music, I think it blinks, but you can definitely change colors, I believe. Yeah, so other than that, it has this side pocket here, which seems to have a little more flexibility than the last one. And again, this is for water, just in and out. There's two also elastic straps. I'm not exactly sure what these are for, but you could maybe clip something to them if you wanted. You have them on this side as well. And I think that really covers it. I can fit 5 t-shirts in this bag and bring it to a festival and flip all those t-shirts at the festival. So, I can fit a bunch of stuff in here. Not a bunch, but I can finesse a bunch of stuff out of a lunchbox because I'm the finesser. Yeah, guys, that is the Lunchbox review. Overall, the biggest enhancement that I found, or that I can notice, is the straps on the phone pocket. They are way bigger, and I would imagine so on this side too. The other mesh pocket in here is nice, but other than that, there is nothing noticeably that I can see different. And I'll be honest with you guys, I don't know the price point on this 2.0, but I believe, a little leak right here, that there is going to be a sale on the original ones. So if you're thinking about getting a Lunchbox, that is the time to do so, because they're going to be on sale. Make sure to join the Facebook group on Facebook, obviously, and the YouTube channel. Check out their videos. Hope to see you guys rocking these. If you have any questions about the Lunchbox or just anything in general, hit me up on Instagram. Hit up the Lunchbox Instagram. I don't know if they answer me. They probably answer you too, right? They're cool people over there. Shout out Tom. Shout out Emma. Shout out the whole fam, bro. I don't even know how many times I did that. I've been trying to make this video for a minute, honestly. But now it's over, so I did it. Thank you guys for watching on the Festival Finesser, and I'll see you for more videos to come. Peace out.